Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make strike-through text in WhatsApp mobile. So let's get started. First, open up the conversation or group chat where you want to send the strike-through message. Now, once your keyboard pops up, click this button in the bottom left corner. And then click this button. Now click this squiggly symbol. And then click ABC in the bottom left corner to go back. And now you can type in your message. Once you're done typing in your message, apply the squiggly symbol again. And as you can see, the strike-through is automatically applied. Now all you have to do is send it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.